How to add follow button on Facebook page. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add a follow button on your Facebook page. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top left side of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the profile section, just tap on the downward arrow button just beside your profile name. And after that, from the pop-up menu, simply tap on the page where you want to change to. And now here, once you are inside the page, what you can do is just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left side of the screen. And now here, from the pop-up menu, simply scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. And after that, you can just tap on settings. And now here, once you're inside the settings section, what you can do is simply scroll down, and there you can just tap on this option that says how people can find and contact you. So there, simply tap on it. And now here in this section, simply toggle on all this option. And here, once you're done with it, you can also go back, and there under audience and visibility, you can also tap on this option that says followers and public content. And now here in this section, just tap on the option labeled as who can follow my page. So simply tap on it. And now here in this section, make the option or set the option to public. And once you do that, this will automatically allow people to follow your page even if they don't like it. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.